So we've got a large cups of hot water. That looking good. All right. Yeah. You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching, We appreciate it. Nice one. Come on, guys, like up the video. All right, so we're going to grate the ginger. All right, by simple. Grate a nice, lovely piece of a ginger. All right, yeah. Right. So remember, guys, that ginger is very good for the immune system and also help with morning sickness. You know what I mean? If you got anti-ferritin, it can also help you. Right? Yeah. So ginger is good in many different ways. So mix them, both of them tonight. So we're gonna put a few cloves of garlic in the pot. Okay, roughly about 4 cloves of garlic. So that's 1 in the pot. Just wanna squeeze out the garlic. Craig, what's big up yourself? Just wanna squeeze out the garlic like this. Put it into the water. Right. That's the garlic. That's the garlic. All right, guys. So basically, remember, as I say, the garlic and the ginger is so powerful. All right. Yeah. So let's get this to jar. That's why I use hot water. Yeah. And you guys can do the same thing at home. So, all right, we don't want it to boil because I'm using boiling water. I just want it to warm on the cooker. You don't want to cook it. So we're gonna cover it and just allow it for it to steam. All right. So once you cover it, make it steam for a few minutes. Happy Sunday for Los Angeles. Big up yourself over there. Thank you so much, Gregor. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day too. All of the mothers them. So let me go and share this with you guys because you guys might need to know the benefit of the ginger and the garlic. Seven important benefit, guys. Yeah. You want to know the benefit? Here it is. I'll give you the benefit. All right. You need to read this in the description box. Yeah, man. That's the benefit right there. We've got 7 important benefit. Combination between ginger, garlic, and ginger provide information. All right. And the benefit may protect you from against a lot of damage. All right. So it's very good. Don't boil it. You wanna jar it. You know, onion and garlic, please. Yes, you can use onion and garlic. And it also promote a healthier immune system. Very good anti-inflammatory. All right, here it is. All right. Yeah, I could share a lot more benefit with you guys, but those are the most important part. 2 food mixed together can be powerful. Right. Yeah, so all right, that's the way it look right there. You don't want to boil it, okay? Yeah. just remove it, and that's the way it look. Yeah. Wow, here it is. This come right here. All right, yeah. Just pour it off. Oh yeah. We're going to put the garlic inside of it, just like that. All right. And put, yeah. See that garlic? Yeah, man. So that looking good. So you want to drink this either before you go to bed or first thing in the morning. Yeah. So that looking amazing and fantastic, guys. All right. So here it is again. A beautiful cup of tea from Chef Ricardo. Yes, turmeric works good with black pepper to activate it. Yeah. So if you're making turmeric tea, you should be using black pepper. Very, very good. Yeah, that looking amazing.